What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video, guys. So if this video is up, that's because we have CHP inspections and he allowed me to record them. So right now we're actually going over a few details with our trucks, or on our trucks, and making sure everything's good to go on them, because CHP is coming to the shop to inspect, I believe, 2 or 3 of our trucks. So that's what we're on right now. Huh? Let me check. Let go of them. Yeah, they work. So like I said, right now we're actually just going over everything, making sure everything is right, double checking, and here he is. So let's see if he lets us record, and then we'll be right back with you guys.
I'm already on YouTube.
I know you are. You told me that.
You seen it? Did you see it?
No, I didn't get to see it, but you did tell me that some girl recorded you, right? Some YouTuber girl. Here, you record. I'll be with them. Huh? You record. Okay. I'll record.
Good signal. Hi, Ben. Off the wheel. Good. What are the wipers?
Just check them off and put them on another.
Yep. There you go. Release the brake. The light's still on, right?
Yeah.
If it's blinking, it's still recording, no?
Yeah.
Left. Right. Brake. Okay. Release.
Touch the screen and I'll show you what you're recording.
Okay, okay. He was just checking the brakes right now, no?
Brake. Release. Brake. Release. This truck hasn't moved in a while, huh?
No.
Brake. Release.
There we go.
Brake. Okay. This one's pretty wide open, so I can get almost everything from up here. You know,
Yeah.
It's a little easier.
See everything?
Yeah.
Helps you out not to get dirty that much.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, turn the key on.
It's on right now.
It's on. How much air you got left?
We're at just over 65.
The alarm's already on?
No,
No? Okay. Wipers on.
Yeah, we'll have to put them on right now. We just took them off. Oh, I forgot to put them back on.
On rainy days, it's not a service.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, just make sure before they roll out, put them on.
We'll throw them on right now.
All right.
They're in the van, no?
Yeah, they're in the van. Good, buddy. Grab some wipers from the van before we forget. Grab them in there. Make sure we have some. And next up, we will have this one to get inspected as well. Only thing is, we have this thing on it, so hopefully it's not in his way, but
They still doing the coffee? Yeah.
No,
te vas a inflar a ti, güey.
No pasas, güey.
Sí.
Pon tu lonja así para que lo pongan.
So check the thread on the lonja. Alright, we're gonna try to see if we could get this one inspected as well, but the tires are kind of low. Let's see. Let me see. As long as it's not in the red. Yeah, this one's not in red, so check that one. As long as it's not in red, should be able to. Wait, does this one even have red? No, this one doesn't have the red, huh?
Only has that.
No. What is it supposed to be at?
Shit, I don't know. I just told Danny what it is. 8.
Tractor.
6.
Tire. Minimum. Red. We just gotta make sure the tires are good on this one, or they'll pass at least, and hopefully you can inspect it. 430 seconds front wheel, 230 seconds on the back. Let me see.
So it can be at 2.
230 seconds. All right, for the rear. So it's right above it. It's what, like 330 seconds, 430 seconds. Yeah, you're like at 430 seconds. You should be good. Yeah. Well, this is the lowest one. This is the lowest point right here. So as long as the lowest point is above 230 seconds, yeah, that one will be, yeah, it should pass. So hopefully you can inspect it too. They should pass. They're at 430 seconds on the rear, the lowest point on one of them.
You get 230 seconds on this.
Yeah, so
Okay, so you should be
it
Brakes
should
were
pass.
adjusted?
Huh?
The brakes were adjusted?
That's it. Ni te lo chequeé. Or
Yeah, I'll get it.
here.
Recording?
Recording.
Oh, perro. Oh. You're gonna have to make a contract with them, güey. 50-50 split. No. I get 20 for recording.
Okay, lights on. Hi, babe. That's the wheel. Hold it. Release. This breaks. So yeah, just listen for air leaks. That's pretty much all you do. Oh, I forgot my mirror.
How'd you fix the other one? How'd you fix it?
That one inspected or?
The Volvo?
Took out the whole hose.
Oh, yeah?
Pull it into cement right now.
Brake. Release. Flashlights do work during the day.
Yeah.
Just check thickness of your pads.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all you check on these.
This?
On the disc. Make sure you're not leaking. Make sure the pads are to the limits.
Mm-hmm.
This one told me on Monday, he's like, I have to do brakes, but out there. This is the one. Yeah, they have tires over there. Or is this one? That's one.
Check the cross members, make sure there's no cracks on them. Your hangers, suspension, and all your cross members. Fifth wheel. Look at all that stuff. See the thickness of your pads from here, pretty thick. You get 1/16. You can go that low on those.
On
On the meat?
On the pads, yeah.
On the pads?
Yeah, 1/16.
Okay.
Which is a lot. Unless there's a wear mark on them.
Uh-huh.
Those are rare on pads. You usually see them on the shoe.
And
Yeah,
then
the shoes
on
are-
the rotors,
Little half moon.
Yeah,
on the rotors, stress marks, if they had little cracks, they're done too, right?
You can see them, but if it looks open,
Mhm.
then it's an issue. It's
So if it's like surface, it's
yeah, you'll see like
Okay.
little
we get a lot of
lines.
surface ones.
Yeah, it's got to be a crack.
Crack. Okay.
Okay.
It's got to be a crack. Those aren't cracks yet. Not yet.
Yeah, 'cause that's a question we have on those.
Yeah.
And on the drums, can you have stress cracks or no?
You can see those too. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How do you determine those though? Because if they
Normally your cracks will go all the way to the edge,
okay.
and then when you apply the brake, they'll open up.
Oh, all
Those
that
are not.
pressure.
Yeah, those are not all the way through.
Oh, okay, okay.
But you'll see the hole open up,
Uh-huh.
and they'll crack, especially on drum.
Okay.
Puts all that pressure
And if
against
you look
it.
at the drum, the thing starts to open up. Like, oh yeah, it's a crack. That's pretty simple. Yeah. Cool. Lower warning. On the disc brakes, on the rotors, you'll see. If you see, look inside, you split, you'll see a crack that comes all the way through.
All the way through?
If it goes all the way through,
See some light
then
going
it's
through?
done, yeah.
Okay.
It's on now?
Yeah.
On the
disc.
rotor. Yeah.
And do you go all the way through?
Like if you look in between the middle, where the split is,
Yeah, it has low
on the rotor, you know they got the little vents in them.
Yeah.
You check in there,
Okay.
and if you see a crack that goes into that, then you're done.
Okay.
Cool. And that's it on this one. You got wipers, that's good.
You didn't have wipers?
103 didn't have wipers.
I had you told me you
We just took them off 3 days ago. 103, we just literally took them off.
That's the first thing you noticed.
The plate?
The plates and the wiper.
Because I had bottom, remember?
They're in the van, yeah.
No, you know what? Actually, you saw somebody was throwing away the brand new wipers. I got them from the trash, yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
He said someone was throwing away the new wipers.
Huh?
Someone was throwing away the new wipers.
Why?
I don't know. He said-
Why? Like, one of you guys was throwing away the wipers. I found them on trash.
No, all of them are in the van.
No, we got them all in the back.
Moving them over here. They were brand new, on the side by the box.
You sure?
Sure. I'm the one who took them out. Unless you guys put a brand new.
I just saw the ones that were in the van, that's it.
No good.
Está bueno.
One turn for camera, so it don't die.
He'll put us number 4 up there right now.
Spider-Man.
I know, that's a crazy little creeper.
Like I'll get my hand stuck in it.
Tulonka. Neta. That thing has better wheels than my toolbox. Making sure exhaust is all clamped up, right?
Yeah, it's just quick verify underneath. And
No, there's a menu. With the, you would be able to catch them with the bill of lading and everything, right? Or no?
I don't even need a
No? No?
because the ELD tells me where he's been.
Okay, that's right.
I upload.
Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we did get DOT inspections by California Highway Patrol, CHP, and he was generous enough to let us record them. So this video will be going up soon, and not sure exactly what was recorded because it was Jeroni behind the camera this time for the most part. So hopefully we got something good for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget, as always, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe guys. Peace.